Have you checked your 401k balance lately? You may be nervous after the big drop we saw when the pandemic started, but stocks have somehow managed to make quite a comeback despite economic hardships and fears about what might lie ahead. What's driving the gains and will they last? That's something I talked to Gary Buchanan of Buchanan Capital about. There was a lot to cheer about on Wall Street as the Dow Jones Industrial Average surged 557 points Tuesday.
We've had a big day in the stock market. Things are coming back, and they're coming back very rapidly.
The Dow is still down about 10% from its high for the year, but has gained back nearly 8,500 points since March 23rd, when it spiraled to its low over fears of the growing pandemic.
The Federal Reserve has really helped. They've stepped up in ways beyond 2008 and 2009. And so we have come back. And then, of course, anytime we have any good news, and there's some more today after the market on vaccines, the market's always looking ahead about 6 months. So it can get pretty optimistic when we start to have some good news on either a vaccine or therapeutics.
The encouraging news coming from the phase 1 trial of an experimental vaccine by Moderna that showed it was safe and provoked immune responses in all of the volunteers who took part. Tech stocks that help us work from home have also zoomed during the pandemic. Still, there's a big difference in what's happening on Wall Street and what's happening on Main Street. Unemployment is in double digits. Many businesses may close their doors for good, and some states are now going back to restrictions as more people contract the virus.
The market is way ahead of the economy. The economy is in not as good a shape as the market. And the question is, will the market start to reflect more of the realities? Well, we're not out of the woods. I expect a lot more volatility. I would definitely, if you're an investor, keep your seatbelt fastened.